I'm starting off -1 decibel. That's on the minus side because we have now a gain control proper for the camera. GoPro, get in on the act, buddy. We've been asking for this for the longest, and we thank DJI. I tip my hat off to DJI. Do I sound any better? If I'm using just the average internal sounds, I'm a little bassy at times. But with the Logitech, I should sound pretty good, if asked. I'm gonna beef it up to like plus 3 dB. I was able to get it to plus 3 dB without an issue. And hopefully maybe that'll sound a little bit better to you. Well, I don't want to bring you into the sun, but I gotta turn around. I gotta head on out of here. I gotta clean my feet. I gotta clean my wheels, my tires, get the sand off the bike. So let me get you over here. How does 10-bit look to you? Cine D-Link 10-bit. I'm not sure what else the camera's on, but that sky is really looking good, if you ask me. Did I do anything different? Yeah, I took it off the Pro and I put it on the color enhancement. So that means color enhancement and 10-bit, are they both the same? I don't know. Because this shot right here, you got the sky and it don't have any color enhancement or Pro on. It's just the camera. Well, I put it back to color enhancement. What I'm going to have to do, ladies and gentlemen, fix my bike. What I'm really going to have to do is make a profile. DJI, we need profiles we could put at least 5 characters on, at least. Put a name to things. But we could put a name to our profile, the customs. Oh man, that would be a trip. Hope you all had a good time. I gotta put stuff away. I got a good ride, a good share, and all that good stuff. I'll see you on many other videos. Enjoy your camera. I'm Fish.